Hi, grade 6. I'm Miss Iman Said from Learner's Teacher Iman. Today it will be the resume of your review that I started last video. Today this video for how to write paragraph. Okay, I would like to follow me in this video because I give you an important rules for how to write a paragraph. Before I will go to our video today or our task today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our video today. Before I will start how to write a paragraph, I would like to review to review with each other the steps of writing a paragraph. So here we writing a paragraph. So how to write a paragraph? First of all, I would like to know that we have three steps that we must be in your paragraph, which is topic sentence, support sentence, concluding sentence. I think I explained this before, but I will remind you by this again. Okay. What is the topic? Topic explains the general idea and gives us the main idea. Support sentence gives you details about this idea. Concluding gives you the brief or the summary of the paragraph. Let's go to apply these steps on our paragraphs. Okay, let's go to do so. Okay, here is our paragraphs that we learned during this term. The first paragraph is about a day in Egypt. So here this paragraph talk about the day in Egypt. I don't tell you all the paragraph. I give you the samples from every unit. I give you one or two topics only, and I will leave the rest to read by yourself. Here, the first topic is about a day in Egypt. I think we learned this during this term. Here we talk about the day in Egypt and how Egypt is beautiful and how its weather is beautiful and so on. Okay, so here we say it's a sunny day in Cairo. My family visits Khan al-Khalili market. The streets are old and beautiful. We buy bags, lamps. So here I talk about the day in Egypt or the day in Cairo, and I expressing the weather in Cairo is sunny. Then I give you the detail about this day or about the visiting for this place. Okay, the streets are old and beautiful. We buy bags, lamps, and bracelets. My sister chooses a colorful necklace. We see people baking bread, and the smell is nice. So describing the smelling of baking bread is nice. We visit a small museum and see coins, clothes, and tools. In the evening, we listen to children playing drums and see ancient buildings. This topic is about Ras Muhammad. Ras Muhammad is in Sinai. So here I describe the located or the place of Ras Muhammad. Ras Muhammad is in Sinai. The sea is blue and clear. There are many colorful fish. People come to swim and dive. You can see turtles and dolphins. There are mountains and trees near the sea. People must keep the party clean. It's a peaceful place. Okay, I will leave you the link of these topics below the video to download it and read it again to know how to write a paragraph. Okay, grandma's garden. So here here is in unit 2 we talk about grandma's garden, and we talk about, and we have some topics here in this unit. I give you a brief about these topics, then I will leave the rest to read by yourself. After I finish the video, I will leave the link to download it and read it again. Okay, so here we talk about grandpa's garden. I always visit my grandpa's garden. He grows herbs like basil and mannet. This is plants that most of us know it. We use them in food and tea. He also grows hibiscus. Hibiscus is a red herb. I think he's red herb. I see, but I don't know how to describe it. But this herb is red. Okay, and jasmine. The flower smell nice. There are gawafa, fig. I think all of us know fig and nagawafa. Nagawafa is in Arabic, is a gawafa in English. Fig and olive trees. He waters plants. Waters plants. Water here, say Miss Ivan will know that water is noun, but we use it as a verb to mean give to plant when you plant the when we put water for the plants, they say waters the plants. Okay, we say also plant crops. Okay, we use also the plant as a verb when we say plant crops. Okay, we plant crops. So, okay, so we use water and plant as a verb and a noun. Okay, must know this. He waters plants in the morning. He works hard to keep them healthy. Let's go to another topic here. I would like to talk about Wadi Rayyan because I love this place. A trip to Wadi Rayyan. My school visits Wadi Rayyan. We see lakes and waterfalls. The guide talks about animals and plants. We visit Wadi Hitan. I think Wadi Hitan. This wadi is this wadi is have a I think the all parts of fish. Okay, Wadi Hitan. Long ago, it was under the sea. We see wall bones. This thing that I would like to know it. The bones of the dead fish, like whale, like shark, and so on. Okay, we see all bones in sand. It's a trip full of nature and history. Let's go to Unit 3 here, jobs in community. Okay, so here in this, I think in this unit, we talk about the jobs in our community. A mechanic fixes car, a water engineer gives clean water, a paramedic helps people in danger, a traffic office controls the road, the street cleaner, the one who cleans the street, keeps the city clean. The jobs help the community. The Proud Rose story. Here is, I think, I would like to, so I read this one and I read also Mustafa Said because in the exam, we can say you talk about a famous person that you know, like Mustafa Said, like Ahmed Zoeir, and Dr. Majdi Yaqub, and so on. All these are the famous scientists and famous doctors in our community. Here we say the proud rose story. The rose is beautiful but proud. She laughs at a cactus for being ugly. Okay. One summer, water is gone. The rose is thirsty. A bird drinks water from the cactus. The cactus gives water to the rose. She learns not to judge others. Okay. This is the value that we learn from this story. Dr. Mustafa Sayyid. Dr. Mustafa is a famous Egyptian scientist. He studied in Cairo and USA. USA is the abbreviation of United States of America. He works in nanoscience. Nanoscience, this is a field of science, not a science, it's a field of science, okay? Nanoscience is the study of very tiny things. He uses gold particles to help treat cancer. He won many awards. He's a hero of Egypt. Let's go to another topic here, which is ancient Egyptian materials. Ancient Egyptians used stone, clay, pipers, stone, clay, and pipers, linen, wood, and gold. They used stone to make pyramids and statues. They used linen to make clothes and mummy warps. They used clay to make pots and bricks. They used purpose to make scrolls. They used gold to make jewelry. These things lasted thousands of years. Saving energy. This talk about saving energy. I think we have our story also about saving water. Here, saving energy. Also, all the topics to this term is about saving. Okay, saving energy. We use energy for lights, cooking, and phones. Some energy comes from the sun and wind. These are clean. Oil and gas are harm nature. We save energy by turning off lights and walking short distance. Small actions protect the planet. Man-made resources. Man-made resources are made by people. Plastic comes from oil. Glass comes from sand. So here think about the materials that this thing come from it. Like we say, plastic comes from oil. Glass comes from sand. Bricks come from the cloud. Paper comes from tree. People recycle to save resources. These things are useful in daily life. Let's go to I think the last unit here about here is the Great Egyptian Museum. I think all of us watch the celebration of this event in TV. All of us know see this celebration. I think so. The Grand Egyptian Museum is near the pyramids. It shows statues, jewelry, and mummies. Visitors see Egypt's history. The museum uses smart screens. It helps people learn in a fun way. It took many years to build. It's a special place in Egypt. Here we talk about Galala city. Galala is a new city near Ain Sokhna. It has beaches, hotels, and couple cars. I think all of us see the couple cars. Okay, during our lessons, couple cars. People study at Galala University. The city is clean and peaceful. Families move there to live. It's part of Egypt's smart. It's part of Egypt's smart city plan. Okay. Today I stop here. I leave the rest of the paragraph to read it by yourself. After I end from the video, I leave you the link of this paragraphs to download it and read it again. Best of luck of you if you aren't examined. Best of luck of you. I hope to benefit from this video and the last video and to study well to have high marks in your exam. Thanks a lot. Best of luck. Thanks a lot. Goodbye. See you later. See you later.